closet just now and I found some of the clothes that I thrifted a while ago, but I just never wear them because one, they are either too big on me or they are just I just don't like their style, but I bought them because of the fabric, like the print of it. So today I thought that I'll give them a little transformation. And it's actually raining outside right now, so I hope that you don't mind the sound and also the lighting. So I'm gonna start off with something easy that I know that I won't mess it up. And it's this top. If you know me, you know that I like cropping my shirt, and I've owned this top for like 4 years now, and I just don't really like the length of it anymore. So for this top, I was thinking of cropping it and add a lettuce hem around the edges to make it a little bit more trendy and cute. So let's go. Next, I have this top here, which is a more challenging pieces that I'm gonna be attempting to transform it. I really like the plaid and the big wooden buttons on it, but it fits me really big and just looks like I stole my grandma's shirts. I'm gonna be attempting to transform it into something like this, which has a square neckline and the puff sleeve. So yeah. it has already took me like a few hours just to get the sleeves right. And so yeah, this is the final part, and we're gonna attach the sleeves. We're gonna sew down the sleeves. So my issue here is that it does this when I'm not even like stretching or expanding my body. So I'm gonna go out and get some snap buttons and put it under so I can like make them stay in place. Hi, I'm back. It's actually the next day, hence the change of clothing, and I just went to Daiso and get these bad boys, which is called the snap fastener. Yeah, I'm just gonna be sewing them onto the gaps of this button so that it won't do that thing that I just showed you in the last clip. So ta-da! I'm really happy with how this top turns out. I really like the sleeves and also the square neckline. I just think it looks really flattering, and yeah, I'm really glad that I took the time to alter this top. And yeah, and lastly, I have this wrap skirt with me that I thrifted a while ago. As you can see, the previous owner did quite a messy job with the buttons, so I'm gonna reattach this back to the skirt. I'm just gonna try this on and see where the button should be. Should be somewhere around here. So I just cut the skirt into the length that I want off camera because I don't want to bore you with another cutting fabric clip. But yeah, I'm just gonna be hemming the edges now with my sewing machine. So I actually thought of putting these two buttons right below where the wrapping ribbon should be, so as like a little decorative piece, because I really like these wooden buttons. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing that now and we should be done. That's the scrap fabric that I just cut off from my skirt. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I have a hanger here. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I had a really fun time making all of these clothes, and I hope you enjoyed it too. See you next time.